Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so I have a nacho recipe loading right now, okay? But I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of all the ingredients that I'm using for this recipe that's loading as we speak, okay? So here are all the ingredients that I'm using for my nacho video, okay? So you're going to need some green chilies that I got in the can, okay? You're going to use some green onions, some lettuce, some sour cream, some cheddar cheese, cheese sauce, taco sauce, onions, some tomatoes, some salsa, and some black olives. And also I'm going to use ground beef, you guys. And the chips that I'm using are the nacho cheese Doritos, just the cheese one. Okay guys, so this is all the ingredients that you're going to need for this nacho recipe that I'm making. And the video is loading very soon. So if you want to make this recipe with me, here are all the ingredients that you can run out and get and come cook with me. Okay, let's make a nacho together. All right, you guys, so I'll see you very soon, okay? And have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? And hit your notification bell so you know when I upload this video. A very delicious nacho recipe. Loading. It's loading, okay? I'll see you soon.